How did I identify that the Graph project is promising for mass adoption? As you guessed from the video title, I believe that the Graph project is promising and can bring new horizons into mass adoption of Web3. How did I identify that? Factor number 1. Technology, mass adoption vision, and field of application. We cannot live without the internet now, but there are many problems in this field. Why do such things as VPN and proxies exist? Why we observe digital migrations of the people from one services to another just because of the only solution of someone? The recent migration from Twitter to Parler, Telegram and Gap due to United States President Trump ban is one of the global scale examples. My website, hosted on third-party server, was also suspended as a result of a hosting provider decision. That's why I'm motivated to research Web3 technologies and found the Graph project. When people faced with an issue, they will try to resolve it, and the Graph is an ambitious effort to resolve one of the key problems in building decentralized web, which is to provide a reliable core to decentralized backend infrastructure to Web3. You can find more details in this issue in my Introduction to the Graph and Web3 publication on Medium, by the way. Summarizing, we see that the Graph offers the solution for one of the most promising mass adoption fields that blockchain industry offers solutions for. That's why I'm glad to invest and be a participant of this global process of freeing people from dependencies on third parties. Factor number 2. Passion and number of the Graph developers. The Graph is 24th project in the blockchain world by a number of developers, according to developerreport portal. 336 developers have been improving the Graph and adding new features in December 2022. Among neighbors of the Graph in this rating are Flow blockchain and platform for NFT, Osmosis decentralized exchange in Cosmos ecosystem offering many assets and closely integrated with EVM. Basic Attention token that is a product of private Brave browser which actively developing in the field of decentralization, and Gnosis decentralized prediction market. There are definitely good neighbors. Let's see the top 5 of the rating. Multiply the number of the Graph developers by 3 and we will receive the number of Bitcoin developers. When I researched activity of developers and all interested parties in the Graph communities on different platforms, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, I was nicely surprised. There is an impressive activity, which is confirmed looking at the Graph GitHub page activity. There are everyday updates and many repositories there. Developers are really passionate of this project and there is no doubts for me that the most skilled developers in blockchain industry work for the Graph. Factor number 3. Technology evangelists and community boosters. The Graph has a strong team of technology evangelists and educational experts, which boost the project's community and make the Graph technology mass adoption closer. Paolo Diomede, a Harvard Business School certified Chief Operations Officer of Graphtonauts community, a person with a broad several decades expertise in a variety of fields such as telecommunications, learning services, cloud operations, relationship management, and blockchain. Coulson, an expert in promotion of the knowledge about Web3 and trustless infrastructure technologies, with a strong teaching background and experience. St. Wu, the Graph community's booster, organizing interconnection and facilitation for all interested parties in web decentralization. I am making a conclusion that the Graph is able to attract skilled people which do a valuable work of introducing people to the opportunities and benefits of decentralized infrastructure, the growth of the Graph community. That's a bigger advantage featuring the Graph in the blockchain world. Factor 4. Expansion into networks and on-chain activity. The Graph is an ecosystem aiming to cover the needs in trust minimization regardless of which blockchain is used. I created infographics representing high dynamics of the Graph ecosystem operation and a table showing networks the Graph token live in, token contracts, link to token overview in corresponding block explorers, number of holders and total transfers, and a swap fee in the networks. You can find and test this table by the link to the text version of this video on my Medium. The Graph token is present on the following networks as for January 24, 2023: Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche C-chain, and Gnosis. The Graph proposes advanced revolutionary technology that can change our insights about the web. It already has a well-developed infrastructure and attracts highly qualified people to boost a much-needed thing for people, which is the infrastructure for a free, user-owned internet. Subscribe CryptoRocky on Telegram and Twitter, and many thanks for watching.